Hello everyone. Let us now discuss how can we solve this problem. Best time to buy and sell stock using strategy. So we are given with two integer arrays, prices and strategy. So let me clearly explain you what the description says. So here we are given with prices array and also strategy array and also given with the third thing k. Now we need to select k consecutive elements not from prices, instead from strategy. So we need to select k elements, consecutive elements from strategy, and make the first k by 2 elements to 0, all the first k by 2 elements to 0, and the next or the last k by 2 elements of course to 1. Now just need to remember that minus 1, 0 and 1 will only be there in strategy. Now, I need to maximize the profit. But how do you know the profit? Profit is nothing but strategy of I into prices of I. Prices of I. Now, as you have knew that strategy are the thing or the array which we gonna change, right? So let us start with a small example instead of going through the k is equal to 2 and having only 3 to 4 elements in the prices array. First thing, let me take a good example. Now I am taking prices as 3, 4, 2, 1, 3, 2. So n is nothing but 6. We have 6 elements and I am taking strategy as minus 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Now I have k as 4. So as I said, I select k elements and in the strategy and change the first k by 2 elements to 0 and the next k by 2 elements to 1. Let us do that. First thing, what if I didn't change anything? So if I didn't change anything, then I would get something like 3 into minus 1 minus 3 plus 4 into 0 0, 2 into 1 2, and 1 into 1 1 plus 3 into 0 0, 2 into 1 2, 2 3 5 minus 3 nothing but 2. So I got 2 without any change, but let us see if we change. That means taking k elements in strategy and changing the first k by 2 elements to 0 and next k by 2 elements to 1. I'll do that now. So I am taking the first k elements starting with index 0. So I change it to 0, 0, 1, 1. First k by 2 elements to 0 and next k by 2 elements to 1. Now let us calculate the profit here. So the profit here will be 3 into 0, 0 plus 4 into 0, 0 plus 2 into 1, 2 plus 1 into 1, 1. Now after that I need to calculate this 3 into 0, 0 plus 2 into 1, 2. So the profit will be for the first I is equal to 0. It will be 0 plus 0 plus 2, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 5. So the profit will be 5 here. So for I is equal to 0, if I select k elements, I got the profit as 5. Now what I'll do is just change the k. Let us go for the next I is equal to 1. Let me tell you how I am going. So I'm starting the window just like a window from I is equal to 1. So I have I is equal to 1. Now the same thing, k by 2 elements to 0, next k by 2 elements to 1. Now let us calculate what will be the profit. So 3 into minus 1 minus 3 plus 4 into 0 0 plus 2 into 0 0 plus 1 into 1 1 plus 3 into 1 3. So the profit will be 3 minus 3 0 plus 1 1 when I is equal to 1. That means the window is starting from I is equal to 1, right? Now after that let us take the next window. Let us take the next window here. So here it will be the last window, right? Now I have double zero, double one. First k by 2 elements to 0 and next k by 2 elements to 1. So let us calculate what will be the profit. 3 into minus 1, minus 3, 4 into 0, 0, plus 2 into 0, 0, 1 into 0, 0, plus 3 into 1, 3, plus 2 into 1, 2. So the profit will be 3 minus 3 is 0 plus 2 is just 2. So for I is equal to 2, I have 2 as the answer. But if you see, I can't go from here. So why? Because I need k elements, 4 elements, but I have only 3 elements if I start from I is equal to 3. So I just end up at I is equal to 2. So the first thing where I started at 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the size n is equal to 0, 6. So I started from I is equal to 0 and ended till 2. What is this 2? 6 minus 4 is giving me 2. But I will be having I is less than 3. I is less than 3. I went till 2, right? So plus 1, nothing but n minus k. 6 is n, k is 4 is k, and plus 1. I added plus 1 and I got 3, and I went till less than n minus k plus 1. So this is how I got the iteration. But if you see, what I just did here, I started from every time I started my iteration, and whether I got a 0, I just multiplied it, and when I got 1, I just multiplied it. But if you see, if I go with that process, right? So if I write another loop where I go from for where it doesn't match with the k elements. So where I start from two loops, one loop for before window and one loop for after window, after window, and again I need to go from this to this, nothing but k by 2 elements for k by 2 elements in window. But what if I say these all things aren't required? I can just go with the first loop where I start with just I is equal to 0 and I less than n minus k plus 1, I plus plus. Now I need the profit. That's it. I just need the profit. First thing, if you see, what I want to do is I need this and also this profit, right? So if I have to be very clear, I just need two things. First thing, k, and this let us initialize, or let us take this as an array of prices or strategy. So I need this one, and I just need this profit of ones. So for this I just add prices, right? If I just add prices, now I need this profit, profit. I need this profit. Now, if you see, what if I just know that I got the profit from here, I got the profit from here, and I get the ones from here? I'll tell you how. So, if you see, I have 3, 4, 2, 1, 3, 2, right? So, what I'll do, 3, 4, 2, 1, 3, 2, right? So, let us take I need let us just imagine that I need this prices, right? So all I need is ones, but I just need 1 comma 3, right? It will be 1 plus 3 4. What if I stored just 1 plus 3 here, 4? Now instead, what I'll do is use a prefix sum, right? So here I got 3 and price once. I got 3. I got 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 plus 2, 15. Now, what I said, I need these two. and k is equal to 4. I need, for this I'll be having zeros, I'll be having ones here. So the profits here I'll calculate later, but let us go with price once. 3 into 1 3, 1 into 1 1. Now what I'll do, 13 minus 9, 13 minus 9 is giving me 4. That is what I got here, 1 plus 3 4. So I just initialize this as a prefix sum. Now profits, another thing which I need to get for this, another let me tell you what it is. So I need, what is the profit here only from here, what is the profit from here only from only till here, and starting from here and till here. I just don't need this. So how can we use prefix sum here? I'll tell you why I am using prefix sum. So I got minus 1 0 double 1 0 1, minus 1 0 double 1 0 1. I need the prefix sum. I said I need the prefix sum, right? So what I'll do, 3 minus 1 minus 3. 0 into 4 is 0. 0 minus 3 is minus 3, right? So minus 3 here. And if you see, I am adding this value to the current value, right? Now 1 into 2 is 2. So 2 minus 3 is minus 1. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0, right? 3 into 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. Now 0 into 2 into 0 plus 2 into 1 is 2. Now I need the profit starting from here. So what I'll do, starting from here is 2 minus this one 0. 2 minus 0, right? Now I need the profit that I get from uh, before this, that means till there. Now what I'll do, I just take this minus 3, right? So if you see, here I got minus 3 and here I got 0. Now I got 2 till here, I got 2 till here, starting from here and till here I got 2. So what I need is just this one. So for that, what I'll do, I remove all this uh, sum, right? All this sum that I got till here, right? So I'll tell you, from this, remove if I just remove the sum I got here, then I would get the sum that I get till here, right? Now what will be the profit till here, which is nothing but the profit that I got till here will be stored here itself, right? So if I just take this as profits array, so I am initializing this as a profits array. So it will be something like, here 1 plus 3 is 4, plus what is the profits I got from here, just 2 minus, what is this, 2 minus 2 minus 0, so 2. Now what I got here, minus 3. So it will be 4 plus 2 minus 3, 6 minus 3 is 3. I think we are correct. I sorry for the mistake. It should be 3 into minus 1 minus 3 1. Let us calculate it again. Sorry for the mistake. Minus 3. Here it will be 4 into 0, 2 into 0. So 0 plus 0, nothing changes. 1 into 1 plus 3 into 1. 1 into 1 is 1 plus 3 into 1 is 3 plus 2 into 1 is 2. So totally I got just 3 will be my answer. So sorry for this mistake. So 3 will be my answer, right? So this is how we solve this. But if I have to write the algorithm, I have some things to make sure. So when I have n is equal to 6. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now when I have these four elements, what will be the profit? Profit will be something like k is equal to 4, right? So when I is equal to 0, I need the profits as first. Let us go with ones. So I just need price ones of 3 minus what I got till here. Then I can get this, right? So price ones of 3 minus price ones of 1. What is this 3? 3 is nothing but k minus 1. What is this 1? K by 2, 4 by 2 is 2. So price ones of k minus 1 minus price ones of k by 2 minus 1, right? So this is how I get for the profit of ones. So if I is equal to 1, I just do like this. Profit is equal to price ones of k minus 1 minus price ones of k by 2 minus 1 plus I need this profit, right? What is the profit I get here? So here it will be n minus 1, which is nothing but 6 minus 1, 5. So profits of n minus 1, I got this profits 5 minus, if I remove this, then I get this profit, right? So from all this, if I remove this till here, then I can get my profit, right? So what is this? Here it is 3, nothing but profits of k minus 1. 3 is nothing but 4 minus 1, right? So profits of k minus 1. So this is how I get if I is equal to 0. Now what if I is at the end? What if it is the last window? Nothing but here 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what is this 2? So 2 is nothing but k is equal to 4, right? So 6 minus 4 is 2. 6 minus 4, it is nothing but n minus k. So if I is equal to n minus k, I need this profit, right? So what will be the profit here? So first I am calculating the profit. Profit till here is the profit that I got here. It will be profits of I minus 1. It is I is at 2, right? 6 minus 4, 2. So profit will be profits of I minus 1, right? Now I need ones. So here it will be first I got here, which is nothing but n minus 1 again. Now what is this 3? 3 is nothing but 6 minus 4. Let us take k by 2, which is nothing but 2. 6 minus 2 is 4, minus 1 is 3. So if I remove till here, then I get this price ones. So plus profits of I minus 1 plus price ones of n minus 1 minus price ones of what is this? N minus k by 2 minus 1. So price ones of n minus k by 2 minus 1. So this is how I get the profit. Now if I is equal to 0, this thing, and if I is equal to n minus k, then this thing. Now what if it is in the middle? So what I said to you is profits from here is profits of I minus 1. So let us take that. So else if all of the both of them doesn't satisfy, then profit will be profits profits of I minus 1. This is how I get the left side, this profit. Now, how do I get the right side profit? I'll tell you. So, let us add that here itself. So, profits of I minus 1 plus, how do I get this profits? I get it by removing till here. So, profits of n minus 1 minus, what is it here? Here it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 plus 4 is 5 minus 1 is 4. So I plus k minus 1. So profits of I plus k minus 1. So this is how you get the right side profit. Now how do I get the ones here? So here I am having till 2. So 4 is nothing but I is equal to 1. Now I need 4 minus 2. Nothing but, let us say that price ones of 4 minus price ones of 2. How do I get this 4? I is equal to 1, right? So I get it by I plus k. I plus k. 1 plus 4 is 5. Minus 1, I get 4. Now how do I get this 2? I'll tell you. For 2, what I'll do is 1 plus k by 2 is nothing but 1 plus k by 2. 4 by 2 is 2. 1 plus 2, I am getting 3. But if I do minus 1, then I can get 2, right? So, I plus k by 2 minus wait a second, minus 1. So, this is how I get it. Wait a second. So, I am removing this. I'm removing this. Instead, I paste it over here. I paste this. I paste this over here. So I got the price ones also. Now, the thing which is the main thing here is how to calculate price ones and profits. So if you have known anything like, so I am initializing maxi is equal to maximum of maxi comma current profit is profit. So at the last I'll return maxi. But the main thing which we need to initialize is long long maxi will be not int min, instead L long min. So if you use int min, you will get a wrong answer for a test case. Now vector of long, I'm taking price ones. So if you don't know how to get this prefix sum, so stay here. So price ones and profits of n comma 0. Now price ones of 0 is equal to, what is the prices of 0. Now profits of 0 is equal to prices of 0 into strategy of 0. Now I need the prefix sum. So for int I is equal to 1, I is less than n, I plus plus, I just need price ones of I is equal to price ones of I minus 1 plus prices of I. Now, how do I get the profits? Profits of I is equal to profits profits of I minus 1 plus the current profit. How do I get the current profit? I get it by prices of I into strategy strategy of I. So I get this price ones and profits prefix sum. So you can write this first and then this in your language, and I have given the code link in the description. Go and check it. And if you have any doubts, please do comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.